Today we're going to talk about 2 by 2 multiplication, so 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. We're going to be working with the problem 12 times 34. Now what happens if we took the 1 away and we just had it 2 times 34? We've already done that, so let's review. First thing we do is break up that 34 into 30 and 4. Then we're going to set up our area model and put that 2 on the side and that 30 and the 4 on top. That 30 and 4 have to stay together because 30 plus 4 is our 34. Going to multiply 2 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6, and then we're going to place that 0 to get 60. And then say 2 times 4, you get 8. Then we're going to add them together, and our product is going to be 68. Now let's put that 1 back, our 10s back, so it's 12 times 34. Well, we already know how to break up that 34 into 30 and 4. So let's do the same thing with our 12. So we can have a 10 and a 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits to now work with, 4 factors to work with. So our old area model, which only has 2 boxes and room for 3 digits, won't work. So we can put the 30 and the 4 on top, just like before, but we're going to have to split the box so that we have a section for each of the 10 and the 2. And now we're going to multiply across and down. 10 times 30. Well, 1 times 3 is 3. And we've got 2 zeros, so we're going to have 300. We're going to go across and down again. 2 times 30 is our 60. Across and down. 10 times 4 is 40. And across and down. And 2 times 4 is 8. Now we've got 340, 60, and 8. Just like how we did our partial product in our 1 by 2 digit multiplication, we're just going to add up all those partial products. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 10, so 0, and then carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the total product of 12 times 34 is 408. All right, let's do another one. And I'm going to do the work on one side, and then I'm going to do the directions in words on the other. So we've got 14 times 27. First things first, we're going to break apart our 2 numbers. 10 and 4 make 14. 20 and 7 make 27. So our first step is to break up the factors by their place value. We've got 4 different factors now, so we're going to have 4 boxes. Again, that 14 has to stay together, so that 10 and the 4 have to be on the same side. Same thing with that 2 and 20 and 7. That makes 27, it has to stay together. They're a team. So our second step is to create an area model according to your separated factors. Now we're going to go, in this case it's 2 by 2. Our 10 times 20, because we went across and down, is 200. Across and down again, 4 times 20 is 80. A third time, 10 times 7 is 70. And our last one, 4 times 7, we went all the way across and all the way down, is 28. So step 3 is multiply down and across for all factors. Our next step is to add up those partial products. So add up that 200, that 70, that 80, and that 28. Do that. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 is 7. Carry the 1, 17. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So our total product is 378. Our fourth step, so you're going to add up your partial products to find your total product of 378. You can write this exact same stuff in your notebook so you don't forget.